What's going on YouTube? This is another video and you're watching the review zone. Hello and welcome YouTubers to another episode with Review Zone. In today's video I have a product called Lead Magnet Vault. We're going to be reviewing it from different perspectives, understanding how can it actually benefit and tweak the performance of your overall business by converting your current traffic that's floating into your business into potential future customers. If you are excited already, the same as I am excited, then let's jump into it. So, what is Lead Magnet Vault? So it actually is a brand new cloud app. It's a new development. It's actually launching on the 22nd of December. Okay, so it's actually launched on the 22nd of September. It's a high quality PLR contents in money niche. So this is already giving you all the high quality contents created within the money niche. And the money niche currently is the king in the 21st century through digital online assets and the digital world, especially when it comes to converting customers. Every single traffic out there, it doesn't matter if you're old, young, if you're a business person, or even if you're not a business person, you are looking to make and profit your life. And there's no such a better way to do so through money niche, okay, through contents that is actually created and suited and booted to this money niche. Because if you have a strong knowledge, strong key points that will allow you to convert your traffic floating through your business with high contents and also educate at the same time your traffic, that will automatically convert them and build the trust between you and your dear customer. Okay, because education is something that's primary before you sell. Now it also allows your customers to sell unlimited number of bonuses. So you can actually tailor each of the bonus and you can sell it to your audience, or you can tailor it as a gift package, or you can give it as a bonus package. It's up to yourself. It also includes more than 6,000 fully licensed ebooks, videos, courses, and much more. And the best part about it, there is no monthly payments. It's a free monthly updates. Now, what type of contents Lead Magnet Vault offers? It's a personal development contents, ebooks, video courses with PLR. What are the benefits? So we have a couple of the benefits. So the number one benefit is have a high quality contents, because high quality contents will allow you to establish that engagement with your traffic. It will allow you to educate your traffic. It will allow you to build relationship with your traffic, because your traffic will automatically focus on the high quality end that you're actually supplying to them. Okay, and in that same case scenario, you are building that relationship, which later on will be created into establishment, which will allow you to sell. And this is very powerful again. Plus it will allow you to have more than 6,000 contents bonuses to share and sell. And this is also a very important key component when it comes to building trust and giving that contents, because contents, it takes a lot of time to come up with the right contents. Okay, and if you have unlimited resources, then that's only a big plus and a big part of potent component or part of your business. Level up your interactions. It will level up the interaction of your business to your traffic, because now you have a high-end contents, and it will allow you to actually find each contents and supply it to the each pain point of your audience. I'm gonna repeat that. Pain point of your audience. It will also allow you to educate your leads, as I mentioned it before. Education allows you to build trust, and trust allows you to convert those same ice cold audience traffickers into warm up buyers. It allows you to also build trust and convert leads into sales. So What are the cons? So number one con is you actually need to get that traffic in order for you to convert that traffic. And traffic comes from multiple sources. It doesn't only come from one source. Because if you have a multiple traffic sources on continuous basis floating into your business, that allows you to benefit. Because if one source shuts down, that means you still have left with two sources. So this is very powerful. But don't worry, I'm gonna just touch these. So the next one is understanding the pain points of your audience. So you cannot just throw contents at them. You actually need to know exactly what type of contents will you tailor for each of your audience member. Because each of them are looking for different type of results. You are looking for a different result for your business. I'm looking for a different result in my business. So therefore, if you have a content that had helped me grow my business, I'm more happy to have a look at it. The same goes for your audience. Right offer at the right time. There's always the time. The time is the 21st commandment to make that offers you the full credibility to sell. If there is no such a time, then you will not be able to sell. Why? Because everything has its right time. It's like, let's say for example, you're floating the traffic, everything is going great, and then something stops at the moment, right? So that's the right time when you need to come in with the solution. You give the solution why your business stopped. So this is what I mean, the time. So how to create solutions. Okay, this is another powerful tool you need to know. How to create solutions. You need to create solutions for people problems. The more problems you're gonna get, the more solutions you're gonna provide. And the more solutions you provide, the more you're gonna earn. Profitable source that you can send to your traffic through established trust by supplying quick results. So if you already can prove your results are working just by give them out a quick one, a quick profitable source that they can actually already benefit from the day one, they automatically build that trust. So this is what's missing. Now if you stay with me till end of this video, I'm willing to give you the formula for success and maximize and optimize lead magnet vault. Okay, I'm gonna maximize and optimize. Now you stay with me till the end of this video, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. Now let me take you to the sales page, because this is where all the magic happens for lead magnet vault. Now this is the original sales page. There's a tutorial video which I strongly recommend you to watch, strongly, because it will give you a bit more better understanding the branding and what is the main concept behind this product. Now as you will moving down, you also will see the actual price. This is the front end offer. It's at $19.95. Okay, so that's a decent offer. Okay, and it secures you also with 40 days money back guaranteed. That you are not losing, you only are winning. You are sitting in the driver's seat here, because what I'm about to tell you at the end of this video will change how you're gonna look at this product. So stay with me. So as you're moving down, you're gonna find extra amount of knowledge, exactly what the data expertise, what Lead Magnet Vault offers to their buyers. So as we can see, offers more than 1,500 ebooks right here, 1,500 plus ebooks and 3,000 plus videos. So that's a lot of content. And plus they're updating their contents every single month. So that's very powerful, because you want to have a lot of contents and you want to have a high quality contents, and that contents with what I'm about to show you will convert that traffic into profitable passive source of income. So stay with me. So here's also a couple things that you need to know about what can you do with lead magnet. So this is all the information that you should strongly, I could recommend for you to have a read through, have a little bit of understanding what exactly it is, what they offer to you. So you only need to know 2 steps. Input your keyword to search for your desired content. So there is no scrolling down trying to find what it is. It's a keyword SEO search. They have a SEO engine already within this cloud application. So it allows you to actually discover by one single click, just searching the contents you actually need. So it will also save you time. One click to download the contents into zip file format, unzip the file, start using the contents as your lead magnet or resales your own product. Again, very powerful. Plus, you can give it as a bonus, you can sell, so you're actually having, it's like having a Nescafe, 3-in-1. So you can sell it, you can bonus it, you can gift it, okay? That's up to your own business, what you want to do with it. But there's a lot of contents. Now, this is something that they will show you exactly. So we have the product list on the JVZoo. Okay, this is what it's displaying exactly. Alright, so there's a lot of actually results that you can see for yourself as well. Commissions also, they give you the testimonials, they give you the results, okay? And that's very important when you look at a product. Can they actually provide you with the results? Do they have the results? Because a lot of business out there be just yapping. They be just yapping and yapping and yapping to try to get your hard-working money. Now, let's get into the upsells. There's few upsells you need to know. So they have the upsell one, it's the front end. It's the lead magnet vault. It's at $19.95. So you get a 50. Okay, so that's the front end. Now the upsell one we have at $12.95. The discount is $9.95. It's a video course, so it gives you the rebranding tools and modules that you need to know to rebrand and optimize your brand. Upsell number 2, DFI MMO leads. Okay, also at 17, the discount is 14. So it's a lot of contents, it's a lot of upsells, it's a lot of bonuses here to be made. So this is a very hot product and it's probably gonna sell like hotcakes. So upsell number 3, DFI MMO leads unlimited, $97. The discount is $47. So we have upsell number 4, PLR articles from $12.95 to $9.95. We have upsell number 5, the final upsell, ultimate marketing kit from $12.95 to $9.95. So this is all you need to know. Now, as I promised to you, what I'm about to show you is going to change the overall game about this lead magnet vault. I'm going to show you how we exactly going to utilize this product with what I'm about to give you, the formula, the ultimate formula, to make sure that you can benefit and profit your business through maximizing your sources of traffic and conversion rates. Okay, and how are we going to do it? So there's a link down below in the description box of this YouTube video. Click to that link and it will automatically take you to the homepage of my bonus insane offer. Now this offer is gonna expire once that time goes, and once the time goes I will take this offer off because I have a high-end product to give to you, but I only gonna promise you this if you can take them before the time expires. Okay, so this is for me telling thank you for sticking to the end of the video. Now this is the same information included that we just had a look. I actually gathered my own information about this product. I listed on my bonus page for you to grab and to read it about yourself as well. Read about the upsells, read about what it exactly offers. Now I want to give you my first bonus. Okay, this is worth $620. So one more time, $620. I will give you the ultimate bonus tutorial, which will give you a hack example how to fire up the jet traffic. Okay, it's specifically tailored to lead magnet vault. It will allow you to create another source of traffic. Okay, there's a lot of ways you can create traffic. This is one of these ways. It's ultimately the best way the gurus know how to make that traffic. Okay, there's a lot of things you can do. You can optimize your channels, you can optimize your backlinks, you can optimize your contents. This is something similar to that. So this is to you. This is how we're gonna get traffic. This is gonna get your traffic up and booming. Bonus number 2, also including traffic, worth $399. Okay, it's also specifically tailored to Lead Magnet Vault. This is the bonus tutorial, the ultimate hack to the traffic 10x crasher. Okay, you're not gonna get this anywhere on the market. You can only get it from me, because I have a specific guru that I work with that actually gave me this formula to put in the front for front end, high end buying customers, and give these bonuses to them to make sure that you can profit and benefit your business. Now, this is something very powerful that you're not gonna see around for a long time. Bonus number 3 is the tailored lead magnet to Vault again. Okay, it's the ultimate bonus tutorial. I will give you the mastery, the Guru Profit 10x pack, which will allow you to create courses, allow you to create specific pain point solutions for your traffic to convert that ice cold traffic into warm up buyers, and then educate them through creating courses and making sure that they follow through. Does that sound familiar that high end marketers would do? Okay, if that sounds familiar, then you know what I'm talking about. If it doesn't sound familiar, then you're probably doing something that's taking out all the elements of profiting and lucratizing your business. Now, I will give you also my bonus number 4. It's worth $220. Guys, I'm not even joking. These prices are actual. Okay, so this is also tailored to Lead Magnet Vault. It's a VIP access, and I'm giving you this bonus tutorial, the ultimate hack, 100% profit motion wheels guaranteed. So you're gonna give this to your traffic and let them try it out. Okay, give them to try it out. They will make sure that they profit on the first day that they try this out. Once they profit on the first day, they will make sure that you are approved and verified source. Somebody they can trust on that market. Everybody needs somebody they can trust. Even I need somebody to trust. Even you need somebody to trust. And this will be the trust link to your traffic. This will allow your traffic to trust you, and it will allow you to convert that traffic, educate that traffic, and sell back to that traffic, and make sure that you maximize and profitize and lucratively optimize your business. Okay, so we're gonna go to the bonus number 5. It's worth $750. There is all the bonuses, the Benjamin Treasure, access to all vendor bonuses within inside of your course. Okay, I will also add these all bonuses to that. So make sure that you get all of my offers. Okay, so this is what I want you to get. So once you have this, you will know how to convert that. You need to know different sources of traffic coming to your website, to your business, and then automatically we'll give them the 100% wheel motions to make sure that they can actually profit on the first day by establishing trust and engaging with your audience. And then that traffic will be converting it by educating it. Okay, and you will have 3 sources of traffic. Okay, it's important, because if your one source shuts down, then unfortunately, if you only had one source, your business will start to slowly crumble. Okay, now 100% free, all of my bonuses, if you purchase this product with the link down below into my description box. Simple as that. I will give you for free, absolutely for free. All you need to do is click link down below into the description box and grab all of my offers before they expire. Okay, you're watching Review Zone. I will be back later on. Have a good day.